In this video, we will show you how to sort in Excel. By using the sort commands, you can create a sort with different levels based on your criteria. Let's click the first column header, and on the Home tab, click the Sort and Filter button and click Custom Sort. Select the column you would like to sort. We are going to sort the values in alphabetical order. Let's add a sort level. First, we will sort by last name, then by first name in alphabetical order. Click OK, and the data has been rearranged. To edit, click the Sort and Filter button. Let's remove one of the sort levels, and let's select the Hours column. We're going to sort by cell color, and we want on top the yellow cells. Click OK, and the data has been rearranged. If you would like to sort one of the columns, you can simply right-click, select Sort, and choose from the list. You can also use a filter, which I have provided the link if you would like to watch the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.